It is so amazing to see that you have planned to start your own YouTube channel, and right now you are searching what type of content can I create in my channel and give to my audience. If the answer is yes, you are at the right place. My dear friends, you need to understand whether you're going to take this YouTube for full time or part time as a career, and you want to give away some kind of value to your audience. Content is a very, very crucial part when you talk about the entire YouTube channel. So whether you want to just give value or you want to monetize your channel, whatever it is, if you want to come on YouTube, you need to know what kind of content you have to create for your people. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about different types of content or different types of genres of content where you can look at things at. So before we go ahead and hit the agenda, let me tell you that you need to first of all love that particular category where you want to create your videos. Otherwise, in the long run, you will be definitely out of content and you will not maintain consistency in uploading your videos in your channel, and your audience will be waiting for your videos. So it should not happen. That's not very good for your channel and for your reputation. You need to be consistent in giving value to people in your channel. So let's get started. Now, I have different recommendations, different categories of genres. So you need to look at it, and then whichever you like it and love it, you can go ahead and do and give this content for your people. So let's start. First and foremost, you need to give an introduction video. You need to introduce yourself to your audience. Who are you? Why have you started this particular channel? What is your intention? What kind of value can people expect in this particular video, in the particular channel from yours, what you're starting? So everything should be given in a short and crisp. What is your channel about? So that is your introduction video. So after that, secondly, let's start with the different categories of content. First of all, you can look at opinions. You give your opinion in particular topic, or you oppose somebody else's statement or opinions. That is also possible. And third, you can go out in public and ask for some kind of opinion. So for example, what was your lockdown experience, or what do you think about some kind of opinion? I have never done that, but then you have seen a lot of channels, people go outside on the beach area or some public area, they ask some kind of opinion. But my request is that please don't take very sensitive topics and controversial topic that will cause some kind of problem to you. And also, your set of questions should not hurt a particular community or offend somebody. So please be very careful while you oppose, you give your own opinion, or you ask some kind of opinions in the public area. The second thing is about review. You can review a product. For example, if you have purchased a cell phone, you can, after a use of, if you have used this product for a month or so, you can give your own review about this particular product, which will again add value to people whether to buy this product or not. You can review a book. What were the learning outcome? You can give overall summary about that particular book. That is also a kind of review what you do for that particular book. You can review a movie also. There are a lot of people who give a lot of movie reviews in written. You can also do it in the video format. And at the same time, first day, first show, nearest cinema hall, you can go and ask people, how was your movie experience? So this can be like, very similar to asking opinion. So this can also be a review seeking model of content for your audience. The third is very close to my heart, very interesting. What I really love to do, that is information. So you give away your information to people, you teach people, you give away some kind of knowledge to share knowledge with people. That is one kind of value you can create. Secondly, what you can look at is give some tutorials. You can teach students to play musical instruments, people about, teach people about some kind of subject. cracking some kind of examination, some public examination, something like that. So this can be given. Then a lot of people are in YouTube channel to know the hows, how to do, how to cook, how to speak confidently in front of the camera, how to start your own YouTube channel, how to. So even I'm doing the same work. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, if you want to know how to improve yourself, how to do a lot of self improvement, that's on my channel, Learn with Michael. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and like, and of course share this particular knowledge with your friends and family. Yeah, you can also start giving away people about history. There are many people who want to know about the history, what incident had happened in the past. So some people are very with fade knowledge about that particular incident or particular century. You can read about it and give actual information, true information about that particular incident. Last but not the least, in the information content, that is, you can interview somebody in your channel. So one, you give your own information or teaching, but at the same time, what you can do is you can call somebody who is really expert in that particular field, ask that person to be next to you and interview that person. That will also create a good amount of value for your audience. That can be done in person, or you can also do some kind of video podcast. That will really time save for both of you. It will be a time saving procedure for both of you, and also it is very convenient. So you just have to book some appointment with that guest of yours, and then you can go ahead and interview that particular person. That will give a lot of knowledge and share a lot of value to your audience in your channel. Next thing is about entertainment. You can entertain people in your channel. Guys, if you are really good at making comedy, skit, drama, please go ahead and make people laugh. It is a very difficult job to make people laugh, but you are good at it, please go for it. There are a lot of BBK Vines you can see. There are a lot of people who have created this entire genre of making videos at home and making people laugh, and they are one of the highest paid from YouTube. They are amazingly earning. There are a lot of people, list of people are there who earn amazing amount of money from YouTube. You can see on the screen also their picture and their names there. Amazingly earning, high paid, they earn a lot of money from YouTube. So you can entertain. If you're good at playing music, you can play musical instruments. If you're good at singing, you can sing some kind of cover songs. That will also be a very good entertainment part for your audience. Then is the prank videos. Yes, you have seen a lot of prank people doing some kind of prank at home also with family members or something outside in the public area, ghost prank, some kind of prank, I don't know. So if pranks work, you can really go ahead and do that also. Last but not the least, what you can do is you can do vlogs. There are a lot of vloggers who are coming up recently. It is an amazing way of again entertaining people, sharing your knowledge and giving information at the same time. That is about food or travel or education, anything. You just vlog, you can just, it is kind of a very amazing documentation about that particular incident. So it is entertainment, entertaining. It is also giving information to a lot of people while you just document your lifestyle or that particular travel journey or that particular food what you are enjoying at the restaurant. So you can actually look at vlog also. So my dear friends, these were the different types of categories on which you can look at your content. Okay, so whether you're going to monetize and give away a lot of value to people, please go ahead and give a lot of value to your audience in your channel. But don't do it for money in the initial stage. Give a lot of value to people. The amount of value you give to people and you reach a lot of people through your amazing content, you will definitely grow. Your channel will definitely grow, and also you will get a lot of love from your audience. So, why to wait? Please go ahead and create your content. Till the time, I'll see you. Bye for now. Your Josh Michael.